friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are unboxing the September Simply Earth recipe box. This is a monthly subscription box to get 4 essential oils and some other things to make recipes. In your first month you get a big bonus box which has like all the extras that you'll need, like coconut oil bottles and things like that. But I have a code that gives you $45 gift card back to use on future purchases, which the box is $45, so you basically get that back. So it's really a no-brainer just to try it. And if you are the person that likes, there's two, I feel like, main categories. If you love essential oils, but then you buy them and you don't know what to do with them, or two, you really like making your own DIY products and you're like gradually turning your home over to non-toxic products and low ingredient like types of products, this box you will love, because every month it's seasonal, so you'll get like what you'll need or things that will be interesting to you that month. All right, so here are the 4 oils. I usually go through this. I'm late to sharing this month too, by the way. I usually go through the box and like I'm prepped on sharing, and I haven't even looked at it this month. I just saw it sitting in my office. I'm like, oh crap, I did not share. So anyways, you get pine this month, and these are all 15 ml bottles, so they're the bigger size essential oil bottles. Pine, and I will also put for each essential oil, the blend I won't, but for the singles I will put different things about each oil here. They give you the recipes to use these oils each month, but you can use single oil for so many different things, so I just like to give you different ways to use them too. So pine, bergamot, which I already have, I think, both of these, so these will go into my giveaway pile. So far I have grapefruit, thyme, pine, and bergamot, and I will do a giveaway on Instagram. They don't seem to go very well here on YouTube. People forget to come back and check to see if they won. So next single oil is hoe wood, and I do think I have hoe wood as well up on my shelf somewhere. Let's see. I can see it from here. So this might go in that pile of giveaway too. And then lastly, autumn air, which is a single or an essential oil blend. And this one is made of lemon, orange, balsam, fir, hoe wood, and cassia, which cassia is kind of like cinnamon. I don't think I have autumn air, so let's crack this. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a little shake and then just see what it smells like. This month's theme is everyday essentials. Ooh, this is sweet and spicy. That smells so good. So lemon, orange, the two like first ingredients, it's very like sweet and citrusy. Also spicy and woodsy. That smells really good. They really do a good job of creating their blends. They're formulated by aromatherapist Katie, which you should follow them on Instagram. But they do a really good job of balancing their blends, something I really love. So for example, lemon, orange, those are two oils that when you're going to make a blend, those are not as strongly scented. I don't like using the word fragrance or scent, but they're not as strong of an aroma, and so those are first. So there's more of that one, where cassia is super strong, kind of like cinnamon, so that one's in there a little bit less. So anyways, they do a good job of that. Everyday essentials, so this is just your little introducing custom body wash power essential oil. So we're gonna make a body wash with a powder, which I really think that's awesome. You will need a container from home. So it kind of gives you body wash powder. So basically just mix it with water and essential oils for added benefits, and that's awesome. Okay, recipes are next. So you get 6 recipes. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. First one is Bergamot Kiss Lip Balm. And on here it'll tell you what you need from home. So you'll need a jar from home. And then you're gonna be using shea butter, which they do give you this month. Coconut oil, which comes in your big bonus box. Almond oil, big bonus box. Beeswax, big bonus box. And then bergamot. Falling leaves roll on. So you make a roller, which you get empty rollers in your big bonus. On the back of each recipe is also info. That one's just more, but this one's a note from Katie, the aromatherapist. Then there is, they give 13% back to help end human trafficking. They work with a bunch of different nonprofits, but this one is Nightlight. So it's a nonprofit organization that helps victims of commercial sexual exploitation. They rescue victims and provide hope and intervention, and there's more about that. Each month they have that on the back of one of these recipes. So make sure you're looking at both sides of the cards. a body wash. So we're gonna use that body wash powder. This is Lumberjack body wash. I'm excited to make this. I like making Chris his own products because he's very simple. He just likes shampoo and body wash. And if I can make like an all-in-one, I don't know if I want to use this for his hair, but easy, simple, and they smell better, honestly way better than the men's like fragranced body washes and stuff from the store. I feel like they're super strong, just like soapy. I don't know, I'm not a fan. So anyways, the next one is a solid lotion bar. I don't know if I've made a solid lotion bar before, but they do give you a tube for it, which this is cool, especially with kids. You know, it's just probably easier for them to use. So this is like an empty deodorant stick. It does say Simply Earth there. They give you labels, so I'll label this too, so you can see. So here are the labels. Enchanted Forest Solid Lotion Bar. So you have your sticker, and then you can put the date on it too. You'll want to use products that you make that are natural without preservatives quicker than not. So let's see, for the body lotion bar, does it say? It does have the shelf life. So for the lotion bar, it's 12 months. So just put your date on here, or put the expiration date. Just write whatever you will remember it better as to when it will go kind of bad. All right, Fall Orchard body wash. So again, using the body wash powder. And then you also make a diffuser blend each month, which you get empty bottles like this in your big bonus box, and then you mix like 20 or 80 whatever drops. You make your own blend with the oils that you get, so you're making another diffuser blend. And that's awesome because if you like pine and bergamot in your diffuser, instead of grabbing each bottle every time you want to fill your diffuser, you just make your own little blend in a bottle, which is super nice. Okay. Another thing I wanted to point out, I love the back of their bottles, and I'm sorry if this is not focusing. I really can't see if it's in focus or not. On the back of the bottles, they have the plant part that the oil is from. So this one is Howood, and it's from the twigs and bark. The ingredient, or the Latin name and the scientific name, which is very important when looking at whether or not an essential oil is legit and real. The origin, this one's from China, and then the aroma that they have, which woody and floral is their aroma profile for Howood. And also, I don't know if you can see that little drop, but it says the age that it is safe for. So this is child safe 2 and up. They're all, this one is 10 and up, the blend, assuming because it has the cassia in it. But then it also says 1% kids max topical dilution. So dilution rate, age, basically takes like the brain work and like having to go do your own research on whether or not a product or an oil is safe. Then lastly, on their bottle is the Simply Pure Promise. Batch number, simplyearth.com/simplypure is where you go to look up and to see more about their quality. I do get questions about that. The value this month of this box for September is $124, and again, it's only $45. That's why I love these boxes. You get such a huge value, especially in your first month when you get the big bonus box included. So this will come inside a bigger box, and then all of your other goodies will be in that. And then also my code gives you 45 back, so you're like getting it back to use towards other products. And we just love them so much. So I'm going to try to make these recipes now and film it as well, so I can share maybe in different shorts or reels on Instagram. And again, look for the giveaway because I do have a little stockpile adding up of oils, like duplicates. When I get too many, I don't like to just keep and hoard them. I just like to give them away so I don't have too many oils that I can't use up. Okay, I think that's it. Let me know what questions you have down below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Have a great day. Bye.